He's gonna be short. Yep, he's short. Fun to catch though. A lot of fun to catch. Let's get on down there to the bottom. I see some. Let's see if we can get down there. There he is. Good size crappie, eating size. Got another one. I tell you, this is one of the funnest ways to fish. I know there's a lot of controversy, but about LiveScope, but I tell you, I love it. It's a lot of fun. Beautiful crappie. Ooh, that's a big one. I think I got him. Oh, there's a strike. That's why that thing fought so hard. Here's a great thing about light tackle. You talk about patience here. This is what it takes. Ooh, that's a nice one. Ooh, that's a good one. Come on in here. Oh, it broke right in the boat. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a good crappie. I'll tie that thing back on. Look at that black crappie. Oh yeah, 11 inches. Good size. I'm not going to keep any today. I'm just enjoying fishing. Beautiful crappie. Look at it. Gorgeous. They're pretty game fish. Let's let it go. All right, let's retire. Got him. Ooh, another good one. Oh, that's a nice crappie. wanted that thing. Things will scare you to death. I know they'll jump out of the boat too on you, but I'm not keeping any today. So here you go, 10 3/4, good eater size. We'll let him go. Got him. Feels like a good one. Yes, I guess. It is a good one. It's good crappie. Yeah, he's a keeper. He'd keep 10 inches. Good eater size. Let's let him back go. Well, I think we caught enough I wanted to mess for. Would have made us a good dinner. I need to eat up what I got. I don't like just to kill them, catch them to eat them, and they sit in the freezer forever. Now, I do like to give some away, and I do that time to time. I like to bless other people with it. I think crappie is the best tasting fish to me. I don't like real gamey, fishy taste. Again, that's just me. I don't. But crappie, they don't have it. That taste, man, I tell you, they are fantastic no matter how you fix them. Check it out, Deke.
What's that? I'm gonna say 9.5 inches.
Okay, let's put them to the ruler. You're guessing 9.5.
Yeah, what's yours? What's your guess?
He's close, Deke. He's 10. He's legal. Oh, he's legal.
How many are you keeping any?
No, I'm not keeping any today. I was gonna see just how I could do with them. We've got enough in the freezer. Let's let them go.
No.
I barely had him lipped. Barely had him hooked. Barely. Pretty little black crappie. You know, I'm having pretty good luck putting these crappie bites on there today. Seem to be. Seems to help the bite out. Never tried them too much. Got him. It's a small one. Fun to catch. A lot of fun to catch. Look how pretty that crappie is. I don't know had him hooked good. Golly, that thing is wide. Boy, it wanted it. Ten and a half. Well, a little short. 10 and a half, 10 and a quarter. He just stopped, you little booger. Man, what a catch. Got a good one. Pretty crappie. These things are so much fun to catch. Got him. There's his green in his mouth, his crappie magnet thing. Pretty black crappie. Oh, got it. Oh. Oh, it's a good one. Right in the top of the mouth, right where they want it. This tree stump, it's loaded with them. You see how long he is, just for good measure. Oh yeah, he's keeping size. He's 10 and a half. Oh, got him. Oh yeah, he's so good. I mean, just as soon as I pitched it in there, one hammered it. And I barely got him hooked. Man, he hammered that thing. I switched colors. The bite was slowing down a little bit on the black chartreuse. It is just loaded down there. See how big he is. He's 11 and a half, 10 and a half. Good eater size. You know, when you catch them like this, it's hard to leave. It's real hard to leave. I got one right there. Just as soon as it made contact, even with the bottom. When I first saw LiveScope, I said, man, I gotta have one of them. Looks so much fun. And I can tell you it is. I have enjoyed it. There's a learning curve to it, and I don't have it all learned, that's for sure. But it makes it fun. Good healthy crappie. A lot of black crappie today. I don't know if I have caught any white crappie that I can remember. I just let that one sit on the bottom. I couldn't find it on the LiveScope screen. And he just hit it there on the bottom. Oh, here's a toad. He might be the biggest of the day. Good thick. Yeah, he's pushing 11 and a half. Good size crappie. Ain't nothing like a crappie thump, I tell you. Bass fishing's fun. I enjoy it. But man, there's something special about crappie biting. There's a black crappie. Boy, he jarred that thing. Oh, it's a good one.
Hey, I just want to say thank you for checking out this content, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you please consider subscribing to the channel, maybe even leaving a comment or hitting that like button. You know, I had a great time out on the water, and I had some really good luck with these two things. You know, I tried different crappie baits, and I love crappie magnet baits, and this is the one I had a really great luck on, the black and chartreuse. And then I combined that with a chartreuse crappie magnet slab bite, and those worked really well. You know, my bite percentages really went up the more that I put that on my lure. And then what I was using as far as rod and reel was a 7-foot Denali rod. It's medium action with a really fast tip. And I paired that with a Daiwa Fuego 1000 size. And I tell you, man, I can fish with this rod and reel all day long. It's super comfortable. But man, I had a really great time out on the water. My intention was not to crappie fish. When I went out that day, I was actually going to bass fish, but I went over a couple of stumps, and my LiveScope showed there was a ton of crappie there. And so I just put down the bass rod, picked up the crappie rod, and man, God really blessed. And you know, I just love being out on the water, just like you do. You know, just being out there, man, it's a stress reliever. I know it's a little more stressful when we don't catch a lot of fish, but you know, just being out there, it's good for the mind, good for the spirit. And you know, this verse I want to encourage you with this verse today. It says, commit your actions to the Lord and your plans will succeed. It's found there in Proverbs chapter 16, verse 3, and you can check that out yourself. But you know, as I leave you with this, it's a thought that we all can live by. Just committing everything we do to the Lord, and just watch how He blesses it. When we put Him first, I think He blesses the rest. And so whether if I'm planting a garden, I want to involve the Lord in it, right? If I'm playing golf, I just want to involve Him in it. Definitely in my marriage, my home, but whatever I'm doing, man, I just want to give honor and glory and praise to God. And I believe that He will cause our plans to succeed. Man, I hope you have a great day. May God bless you, and I'll see you next time.